Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Rakuten application on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Rakuten application on your mobile device is easy. Open up your Play Store or your App Store and into the search box, type in Rakuten. Once you find the Rakuten application in the display, tap on the Get button to begin the downloading process. Rakuten is a Japanese electronic commerce and online retailing company. With the Rakuten application, you can get cashbacks and coupons. It also offers a wide range of products and services including e-commerce, travel, banking, securities, and much more. Once the application is downloaded, tap the Open button to launch Open Rakuten application on your mobile device. Pretty easy, isn't it? Now you can simply go ahead and sign up for a new account or sign into an existing account and you'll be good to go. If the video was helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.